Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize elder law services with AgingCare, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the unique needs of your elderly clients and their families. Research common legal issues related to aging, such as estate planning, guardianship, and long-term care. Familiarize yourself with the resources available through AgingCare, including articles and guides on various elder law topics. Create an account on AgingCare to access exclusive tools and resources designed for professionals in elder law. Begin utilizing AgingCare's referral network to connect with other professionals who specialize in elder services. Use the platform's customizable content to provide relevant information tailored to your clients' situations. Engage with the community forums on AgingCare to learn from other legal professionals and share best practices. Incorporate client feedback into your services to ensure you are meeting their evolving needs effectively. Use AgingCare's resources to educate your staff on elder law issues and best practices for client interactions. Implement technology tools recommended by AgingCare to streamline your workflow and enhance your client management. Monitor the latest elder law trends and updates available on AgingCare to keep your knowledge current. Develop a marketing strategy that highlights your expertise and the resources available through AgingCare. Offer workshops or webinars utilizing materials from AgingCare to engage potential clients and showcase your services. Regularly assess your service delivery and client satisfaction, making adjustments based on insights gained from AgingCare. Collaborate with care providers recommended through AgingCare to provide a holistic approach to your clients. Finally, maintain a proactive approach towards continual education and improvement using the resources provided by AgingCare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.